This video will show you how to mine Vertcoin. If you don't want to listen to me talk, just pause it here and follow the on-screen instructions. If you get stuck, you can just press resume and follow along. So there's three links here. Open all of them unless you already have 7-zip. The first one is CCminer. So click on that guy, and you're going to download the version that is appropriate for your operating system. Most people are going to have a 64-bit operating system, so go ahead and download that one. You'll notice this is in .7z, which is for 7-zip. You probably already have this downloaded. If you do not, download either the executable, the exe, or the MSI installer. Again, get the version that is appropriate for your operating system, probably 64-bit. I'm not going to walk through how to install that. It's a simple click through and install. And then the last one you're going to get is the Vertcoin Wallet. Again, you're going to want to download the appropriate version for your operating system. So most people are going to grab the 64-bit zip. All right, once your CCminer is done downloading, just open that up. And actually, what you're going to want to do is, once you install 7-zip, you're going to just right-click on the file. You'll see a 7-zip option now, and open archive. Then you just want to drag all of these files out into a directory on your C drive. I created one called CCmine. You can call it literally anything you want to call it. And it doesn't have to be on your C drive. I just put it there because it's my solid state. All right, this is where all your batch files are going to live. So this is anything, any coin you want to mine, not just Vertcoin, but any other coin. You're going to put a batch file in here. It's the easiest place. And you're going to call on the CCminer-x64.exe. Before you can do that, you have to open your Vertcoin Wallet. So that was the other guy you downloaded. And we'll walk through that real quick. So again, when that's done, now this isn't a 7-zip, so it's just a traditional zip file. You're going to open that up, drag these guys out. You can put them wherever you want. I'm going to create a new folder here called VTC and just put everything in there. And you're going to launch this guy. I already have mine installed, so I'm not going to do that. I will go ahead and pull mine up. The first time you click on this, it is going to take a very long time to load. It's got to download the entire blockchain. So you're looking at probably overnight, at the very least a few hours. The good thing is you can generate an address without the entire blockchain being downloaded. So you'll have an address to send it to. So I'll pull that back into the screen here. So this is what's going to happen. When you pull yours up, yours is going to still be downloading the blockchain. It's going to pop up with a warning message, something about downloading, and just click hide. In order to generate an address for you to mine, you're going to click on receive, and you're going to click on request payment. Now I technically, just on doing this, I now have three wallets, or not three wallets, three wallet addresses you can send it to, where I can mine to. You're just going to click copy address, close, and that is, just keep that saved in your clipboard because we're going to use that to create the batch file. So the next thing you're going to do is pull up Notepad. Okay, I'm just going to paste this in here so it's here. This is my current batch file. So I'm going to call on CCminer. Again, this batch file has to be in the directory where CCminer is. These aren't important if you want to read about them. You can. In short, it's calling on the algorithm. Vertcoin uses Lyra 2 v2, stratum+tcp, and then here's the mining pool address. So if you want to mine on something other than EasyMine, which I don't recommend doing, you can. The port's important. This right here, U identifies, the -U identifies your wallet address. So here is one of my wallet addresses. And then you can set a password. It's really not important to do this. You can differentiate machines on some pools doing this. I don't think EasyMine cares at all. It just kind of puts a total hash power. It doesn't really differentiate machines. So I just put ilikebeer. So again, you want to put your wallet address right in here and not mine. If you want to put mine, by all means, I will leave it in the YouTube video and you can mine for a little bit and send it to me. I will not hold that against you. But if you don't want to do that, just mine Vertcoin. All right, so now we're going to save this as a batch file in the CCminer directory we created. So call it whatever you want. So Vertcoin mine or miner easy mine. If you're mining different pools, you might want to have a couple different batch files to mine different pools. You're going to save it as a .bat extension. So do not save it as .text. So choose all files, .bat, save. And now if we go to our CCminer directory, we will see Vertcoin miner easy mine. And all you do is double click on that. And you're going to start mining. So one way to check the progress is to watch the command prompt here, or if you would like a view into it on the mining pool, the easiest thing to do is, again, grab your wallet address here, and we're going to go over to the EasyMine mining pool, and you're just going to key in this URL right here. So basically vertcoin.easymine.online/miner/ your wallet address. And if we look here, so it's not going to have anything yet. It doesn't take long at all though. Once it checks in, I think just confirms a few blocks. So you see it just confirmed 3, or accepted 3. And that's basically it. You're just going to wait for it to start confirming blocks and let it go. If you're not gaming, if you have a dedicated rig, just let this go. The longer the better, and the more payouts you get. Hope that helps. And if you have any questions, just comment in the channel.